Hey, MonkeyHappy, you wanna play with the blanket? Oh boy. We're gonna play some peekaboo. Where is Happy? Where's he? Oh, there he is. One more time. Where's Happy? You doing peekaboos? You like your blankie? Yeah? Can you hang on to it? Oh, look at this guy. He's so strong. He swings from blankie. Swing. Oh, he's looking upside down, you guys. Swing. This is like one of his favorite things to do. Swing. Happy can, not only can he hang like this, he can actually sleep like this. His head may nod back, but he will not let go. Oh, style points. Upside down. Where are you going? Let's do it like this. Oh, we flip it around. He's doing tricks. He's a circus monkey. Ta-da! Oh boy, Happy, good job. He's a circus monkey. What you gonna do now? And oh, once again. His tail's so strong. But you don't do that. Sometimes he does. I don't know if I can hold Blue. He's a big heavy monkey. Oh boy. Happy is being an acrobat. He's ready for the upside down. One more time. Upside down. There he goes. Yay, Happy. Happy is a circus monkey. Where's he at? There he is. Hello, Happy. All right, thank you guys for watching. Give everybody a kiss. Oh, all right, we'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.